Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting product to talk about, the Shark AZ2002 Vertex powered lift-away upright vacuum. This vacuum has been creating quite a buzz, and we're here to tell you all about it in our detailed review. So, if you're in the market for a new vacuum cleaner, keep watching. Let's start with the looks. The Shark AZ2002 is not just a powerhouse, it's a stunner too. Available in a sleek silver and rose gold color, this vacuum will definitely catch your eye. It's a robust and well-built machine, designed to withstand the rigors of everyday cleaning. Now, let's dive into the most critical aspect, cleaning performance. The Shark Vertex is a beast when it comes to cleaning. It features DuoClean PowerFins, a combination of a soft front roller and PowerFins that ensure nonstop contact with your floors. This means it picks up more dirt and debris in every pass. In fact, users have reported excellent results, especially on carpets. It's fantastic for pet owners as it excels in picking up pet hair, so no more hair wrap issues. One of the standout features is the powered lift-away technology. It allows you to detach the pod, giving you the flexibility to clean under furniture with a motorized nozzle or above the floor with just the push of a button. It's a game changer for those hard-to-reach places and stairs. If you're a pet owner, you're in for a treat. The Shark Vertex comes with a self-cleaning pet power brush and a pet crevice tool, specially designed to remove pet hair from tricky spaces. So, you can finally say goodbye to those stubborn fur clumps. For those concerned about allergies, the Shark Vertex has an anti-allergen complete seal with a HEPA filter, which can trap 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. That's a big win for cleaner, fresher air in your home. The large capacity dust cup ensures you can have longer cleaning sessions without constant emptying. And with active glide technology, you'll experience smooth maneuverability on both hard floors and carpets. The LED headlights on the nozzle reveal hidden debris and pet hair, making sure you don't miss a spot. But, of course, no product is perfect. Some users have pointed out a few cons. For instance, the Shark Vertex lacks a light on the removable wand, which can be useful in tight spaces. The onboard brush doesn't have an upholstery option, and the crevice tool may not be the most convenient. Also, the dust container doesn't have an easy-access top opening, which some find less practical. In summary, the Shark AZ2002 Vertex powered lift-away upright vacuum is a powerful and stylish cleaning solution. It's perfect for pet owners, allergy sufferers, and anyone who wants a thorough, deep clean. However, it does have some minor drawbacks, like its weight and a few design aspects. So, if you're willing to invest in a vacuum that offers strong suction, versatility, and some fantastic pet-friendly features, the Shark Vertex might be just what you need. But remember, always consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing a vacuum. That's a wrap for our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.